Well, hello, there you go, my cool guy shades. Today, we're going to Home Depot and we're going to look at some lights. There's a couple of lights I want to get for the garage. This new funky, fancy LED directional thing advertised on TV, and then a less expensive model, and I'm going to compare both of them. So let's go into Home Depot and see what we got here. So this is 125 watts, $12.47. We're gonna get one of those. And there are a lot more of these. So this is the ultra bright garage light, beyond bright, $29.88. We're gonna nab one of these deals. So let's compare the two, $29.88 to 12 bucks. So let's go out to the shop. Come on in. We're open. Here's the light bulb. That's what we're gonna do. So we'll take the old one off, and all you need is the socket. So there's no wiring required. Good news, huh? Let's go look at them. Okay, so we're back indoors where it's warm, and the reason I'm doing this is because I bought one of these about a month ago, and man, I thought it was great. The thing was just bright. I've shot a couple of videos with this as my light. So it was $12, and I'm like, man, that's a pretty good deal. So this is something that I've seen on TV, and I just wanted to try out to see if it is that much brighter than, you know, this one. This one has 2,050 lumens. This one has 3,500 lumens. So this is brighter. It says it has a 30-year warranty on it. This has a 5-year warranty on it. And let's open them up and I'll show you what they look like inside. So Duke's opened the first one. Here's the second one. This looks like a Star Wars aircraft. Okay, this one has metal. This is made of metal. The wings fold out. Pretty neat. You're paying a little more for these, okay? So, and then this one just screws in to the socket. They both do, but this is made of plastic, okay? And this has metal. This seems sturdier. Pretty neat. Okay, let's go screw them in. Okay, so we're in the garage with the garage door shut. I've got a couple of lights way over there. We're gonna put in the less expensive one first. Pretty good. Now we'll unscrew that one and put in the other one. And it doesn't seem to be working. Uh-oh, what's wrong? Am I doing something wrong? Is there something I don't know about? I better read the instructions. Oh, there's an on switch. Okay, don't forget to turn the switch on, for goodness sakes. Oh, okay, all right. Well, I mean, that's pretty bright. How much brighter is it than the other one? I think what we'll do like let's do a split screen. So let's do a freeze frame of that last shot. This is the ultra bright garage light. This is 3,500 lumens. This is the wide surface LED light. And this is 2,050 lumens. This is a bluer light. If you look at the door over here, this looks a little bluer than that one. And it's more of an intense light. See my shadow down here, the sharper lines of the shadow. Over here, more of a mellow line. Kind of a foggy shadow. The advantage to this light is it's coming down pretty intensely. It's adjustable up here. This one comes down with more of a softer diffusion, but it's still lighting the area. You be the judge, huh? This is plastic, right? It's less expensive. You can't adjust it anyway, but it kicks out some good light. This one has a switch on it, and you can adjust these little fin things. I'm not sure how much you can adjust them though. Maybe a little bit here and there. But you know, you be the judge. If this helped you out, click the like button below. Leave a comment, that'd be nice, and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you later.